and welcome back to Reality Check, the show where data speaks the truth while the society pretends not to hear it. Let's move towards the first story. This is not a movie scene, this is the real life courage from the rough seas of Western Australia. A young boy facing dark waters, strong waves and fear, but choosing bravery over panic. 13 साला बच्चे का कारनामा जिस पर दुनिया दंग रह गई। हर कोई सोच रहा था कैसे इतना छोटा बच्चा इतनी हिम्मत दिखा सकता है। पानी की तेजी और दरिया का अंधेरा उसके जज्बे को रोक नहीं सका। A 13-year-old boy in Western Australia showed incredible courage and determination after his family was stranded in the sea during the holiday in Quindullip area. Strong winds had pushed their small inflatable boat and an air-filled pedal board into deep waters, leaving his mother, younger sister and brother at risk. But in a heroic attempt to save them, the boy tried to guide the boat back to the shore, but it capsized. Undeterred, he swam approximately 4 kilometers through turbulent waters, first wearing a life jacket for 2 hours and then swimming unassisted for another 2. Upon reaching land, exhausted but determined, he ran 2 kilometers to find a phone and alert authorities. I used breaststroke, freestyle and other techniques to reach the shore, he said, recalling the ordeal. Police received the emergency call around 6 p.m. and rescue operation was launched immediately. By 8:30 p.m., a helicopter located the 47-year-old mother, 12-year-old son and 8-year-old daughter 14 kilometers from the coast. A rescue vessel later brought the family safely ashore. Marine Rescue Commander Paul praised the boy's bravery and calling his action instrumental in saving the lives of his family. The teenager's extraordinary courage has earned him widespread admiration and rightly the title of young hero. ये कहानी सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए नहीं बल्कि हर इंसान के लिए एक मिसाल है जो मुश्किल वक्त में हिम्मत नहीं छोड़ता। क्या ईरान की मईशत टूटने के करीब है? 5 मिलियन रियाल का नोट सहूलत या तबाही? Iran's economic crisis is getting worse fast. The national currency is in free fall. The central bank has released a new 5 million rial note. Officials call it inconvenience and critics call it a collapse. The note is worth just around $3. Banks are running low on cash and customers are facing daily withdrawal limits. Long lines, growing panic. तेल के अरबों डॉलर कहाँ जा रहे हैं? क्या महंगाई ईरानी अवाम की कमर तोड़ चुकी है? Inflation is crushing, savings are losing value overnight and salaries cannot keep up with the prices. Iran still exports oil, billions of dollars flow in, but many citizens say that they see nothing. Anger is rising over where the money goes. Fuel prices have increased again. A new system charges more for heavy users. Even small hikes now spark big reactions. Protests are no longer just about prices. Many chants are political and frustration is now turning into open defiance. Security costs are rising too. Reports suggest even some forces are unhappy with their pay. Pressure is building inside the system. The rial keeps falling and confidence keeps fading. And for many Iranians, patience is running out. Short-term fixes may come, but the bigger question remains: how long can this pressure hold before something breaks? सवाल ये है कि आखिर कब तक ईरान इस दबाव को सह पाएगा? I am Ramna Said signing off from today's Reality Check episode where silence ends and the truth begins. Catch you in the next episode.